is fluctuating car battery voltage bad? Let's unpack that. You see, a car battery is like your vehicle's heartbeat, crucial for pumping life into the engine. If the voltage is doing a wild dance, something could be off kilter. But is it truly bad? Well, yes and no. First, let's understand what's normal. Typically, a car battery should sit comfortably between 12, 4, and 12. 7 volts when the engine is off. When the engine is purring, expect a voltage range between 13, 7 to 14, 18, 7 volts. This is the sweet spot. Anything outside might spell trouble. Picture this: you start your car and the voltage meter spikes, then dips. It bounces. This could mean your alternator is sending electrical system shocks, or perhaps a sneaky parasite is draining your battery when your car should be at rest. This kind of instability isn't ideal. Let's talk practical impacts. A battery that's yo-yoing can leave you stranded. A sudden decision by your battery to bail can mean no headlights on a foggy Portland night, or a no-go on that critical morning. And trust me, that fear is real. Ever wonder what contributes to fluctuations? Temperatures can play a villain here. Extreme cold or heat. Portland's weather might be mild, but never underestimate the element's sneaky reach. Plus, outdated wiring or corroded connections could disrupt the voltage flow, akin to a highway traffic jam. To keep voltage steady, maintain your battery's clean connections. And dust and corrosion are like plaque in arteries. Constricting vital flow, a biannual check of battery terminals can work wonders. And clean with a mix of baking soda and water. It's like therapy for your car's electric heart. And now, I know you're thinking, isn't this something
mechanics deal with? True. And
it's like knowing what a doctor looks for. When you pop the hood, having a voltmeter handy is, your DIY superpower. Here's a pro tip. Reliable multimeter is your best friend. They're the techie stethoscopes for your battery, allowing you to check if it's within the healthy range. If readings are erratic, it's time to dive deeper or call the pros. But what if you're swinging from zero knowledge? Brief YouTube tutorials can bridge the gap. You don't need to become a gearhead overnight. Learn the basics to arm yourself with what questions to ask your mechanic. That's empowerment. And what if the issue's deeper? A failing alternator or worn out battery might be to blame for low or wildly fluctuating voltages. If your car's electrical behavior feels off, have these components checked first. Sometimes peace of mind is worth the repair cost. Battery health is not just about voltage. It's about longevity too, and quality batteries last 3 to 5 years. But frequent fluctuations can gun for that lifespan, and consider an early battery checkup as preventative insurance, not unlike dental cleanups. To wrap in a Zen state of memory, consistent battery voltage is less about now and more about ensuring your car's future reliability. Digging into these small intricacies will ensure you're not the one stuck in the rain waiting for a jump start. And so, is fluctuating car battery voltage bad? Potentially, yes, but with understanding and care, it's a manageable glitch.